Your liver is the largest internal gland in your body, and it performs dozens of metabolic tasks that are critical to your health and well-being. You can't live without it, and if it fails or is damaged beyond repair, only a liver transplant can keep you alive. This video answers some of the most important and frequently asked questions about the human liver and liver pain. What happens when your liver hurts? Over time, disorders and diseases cause the liver to become painfully inflamed and swollen. Swelling and inflammation eventually damage liver tissue so it can no longer function. Scar tissue replaces healthy tissue, a dangerous condition known as cirrhosis. Widespread cirrhosis can eventually cause liver failure, which is life-threatening. How do you know if your liver is inflamed? According to the Mayo Clinic, besides liver pain, these are the symptoms of a growing liver problem. Skin and eyes that appear yellowish, a condition called jaundice. Swelling in the legs and ankles. Itchy skin. Dark urine color and pale stool color. Chronic fatigue. Nausea and vomiting. Loss of appetite. A tendency to bruise easily. Liver pain location. Where would it hurt if your liver was bad? Normally, you feel liver pain on the upper right side of your abdomen, near the bottom of the rib cage, but you can also feel discomfort in the front center of your stomach area or just under the lower right ribs. In some cases, pain will radiate to your back in the area of the right shoulder blade. What does liver pain feel like? Liver pain often feels like a dull, throbbing ache, but it can also cause a stabbing sensation that takes your breath away. Pain sometimes comes and goes. What are the first signs of a bad liver? Liver disease doesn't always cause noticeable signs and symptoms. Frequent fatigue and abdominal discomfort are among the first signs of a liver that's going bad. As inflammation and swelling become more acute, serious symptoms like jaundice can occur, along with swelling in the abdomen, legs, ankles, and feet. What can be mistaken for liver pain? A number of disorders can cause pain that's similar to liver pain. Some trigger discomfort by irritating or putting pressure on the liver. These commonly include ascites, a buildup of fluid in the abdomen, gallstones, pancreatitis, and gastritis or stomach inflammation. Some lung conditions like pneumonia can cause pain similar to liver pain, as can irritable bowel syndrome. It's important for you to talk to your doctor to get a professional diagnosis. What kind of liver diseases are there? There are many kinds of liver diseases that can cause liver pain. They generally fall into the following categories. Diseases caused by viruses, such as hepatitis A, hepatitis B, and hepatitis C. Diseases caused by drugs, poisons, or too much alcohol. Examples include fatty liver disease and cirrhosis. Liver cancer. Inherited diseases, such as hemochromatosis and Wilson's disease. When should I see a doctor if I have liver pain? If you're experiencing the signs and symptoms of liver pain described in this video, definitely seek medical attention, especially if you have abdominal discomfort that is so severe you can't stay still. Finding the cause of liver pain and the extent of liver damage is important in guiding treatment.